mass and weight. Dear students, have you ever confused to understand the difference between mass and weight? This video will clear your confusion with respect to mass and weight. What is a mass? A mass is quantity which depends on amount of matter and is constant at different places. For example, if mass of person on earth is 49 kg, it will be 49 kg on moon. What is weight? Weight is a result of gravitational force acting on an object which acts in vertically downward direction and have magnitude. It shows variation from place to place. For example, person weighing 49 kg on earth weighs 8.166 kg on moon. Weight is denoted by capital W. Since weight is a kind of force, it is measured in Newton. We know that F equals to m into A or F equals to m into G. Therefore, weight is given by weight equals to mass into acceleration or weight equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Weight on moon. As we know that weight on earth is due to gravitational force exerted by earth. Similarly, weight on moon is the result of gravitational force exerted by moon. Since moon is smaller than earth, gravitational force exerted by moon is less as compared to earth. Let small m be the mass of object and Wm be its weight on moon. Let the mass of moon be mm and its radius be rm. We know that weight is the force. Therefore, by universal law of gravitation, Wm equals to G into bracket mm into m upon rm square. Let's call this as equation number 1. Let weight of the same object on earth be We. Also mass of earth be capital M and radius be capital R. So we get W equals to G into bracket m into m upon r square. Let's call this as equation number 2. Values for mass and radius of earth and moon are given as. By substituting values in equation 1 and 2, we get Wm equals to G into 7.36 into 10 raised to 22 upon into bracket 1.74 into 10 raised to 6 bracket square. Therefore, Wm equals to 2.431 into 10 raised to 6 G into m. Call this as equation 3. Similarly, we get W equals to 1.474 into 10 raised to 11 G into m. Call this as equation number 4. Now, dividing equation 3 by 4, we get Wm by W equals to 2.431 into 10 raised to 6 G into m upon 1.474 into 10 raised to 11 G into m, which is equals to 2.431 into 10 raised to 6 upon 1.474 into 10 raised to 11, which is equal to 0.165 or 1 upon 6. Therefore, Wm equals to 1/6 of We. This means that weight of object on moon is 1/6 by weight of object on earth. So here we completed with this topic. In the upcoming videos, we will be learning about thrust and pressure.